What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to maintain and add water to your battery. If you guys are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. I do a lot of these DIY car and household projects. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so if your battery looks like this with a couple little panels like this, it means you can add water to the battery plates. If it's all smooth and doesn't have these, that means it's sealed. You can't add water. But what we're going to do is you just take a flathead screwdriver, put it right here in the middle, and these caps just snap up like that. Take these caps off. Alright, now once you got both covers off, you can look inside there, and the water should be all the way up to the bottom of this plastic of the battery casing. And this side looks a little, this actually looks a little low. So what you're going to take is you're going to take distilled water, not tap water, not bottled water. It has to be distilled water to get all the minerals out. And what we're going to do is we're just going to pour it in the hole until all those battery plates covered up all the way. Now you don't want to overfill it because it has to have a little room for when it gets heated up. Alright, now once you got them all filled up, you're going to go ahead and put your caps back on. Make sure they're good and tight. Just snap them down with the back of your screwdriver like that. And that's it, guys. That's how to add water to your battery. This will really help the life of your battery to make it last longer, and it'll also help the performance of the battery. Alright guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Check out my other videos and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching Johnny DIY. Keep on doing it yourself, guys. Take care.